First, let's access your virtual card. Open your Alliance Bank mobile app or log into your online banking portal. Navigate to the card section and select virtual cards. You should see newly generated virtual credit card details ready for use. Your virtual card is essentially a digital replica of your physical credit card, but with unique details for each transaction or linked to a specific merchant. This is where the magic happens for enhanced online security, as your actual card information remains hidden from merchants and potential fraudsters. When you're ready to make a purchase online, simply select the virtual credit card option. During checkout, enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and the CVV code displayed in your Alliance Bank app or portal. It works just like a physical card, but with an invisible layer of protection. The beauty of virtual cards lies in their security features. If a merchant's website is compromised, your actual credit card details are not exposed. You can also often set spending limits or even temporary virtual cards for specific purchases, giving you incredible control over your finances. Remember to always ensure you're on a secure website before entering any payment information indicated by a padlock icon in your browser's address bar. Treat your virtual card details with the same care as your physical card. Don't share them unnecessarily. By utilizing your Alliance virtual credit card for online transactions, you're taking a significant step towards safeguarding your financial information and enjoying peace of mind with every click. Happy, secure shopping.